Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Nice.
There's a black light strip up here, so you can't really see
At
it.
night time, it looks cool.
So this lights up LED, and LED in here.
Okay.
The only problem is you can't see the black light during the day.
It's all good. I understand.
I did a six order.
Six order now.
That T down there. My daughter's. Audrey. Did a six order. I can't remember the tuning of it.
So the Joker, you used to be flat wall, now you're in a sixth order.
Now I'm in a six order.
Are you more happy with the sixth order?
I made it for wind, not numbers.
Okay, got
So
it.
it's really windy.
All right.
You're actually my first demo of the day. I just
All right. Awesome. What subs and power range are you at right now?
These are Bonce SA305, and I have them on a AAB 12.9.1. So
Okay.
at 1 ohm it does 13K.
All right. What are you peaking at? Do you know your tuning?
Not offhand.
Okay.
It's
Don't worry about it. All right.
But I can hit some good lows though.
Okay.
It's really nice.
The Joker build.
Joker back again.
Oh yeah.
Play one of my favorite drives here.
That's real low. really musical, man. And it definitely likes like low 20s well.
Oh yeah.
So I appreciate the demo.
Hey, nice seeing you again.
Yes, sir.
Man.
Nice to meet you, man. Nice to see you again. Wow.
Safe weekend, man.
Yes, sir. Good work, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.